Okay, on your business YouTube account, let's add and remove managers. Let's go to youtube.com, click on settings, and you can go to youtube.com/account if you want to save that step. You can see that right here at the top. Then we'll go down the page to add or remove managers. Let's go ahead and tap on Manage Permissions. And now we're going to type in the Gmail address of the person we want to add, and we're going to choose the role, owner, manager, or communication managers. Now we'll invite the person, and we'll click Done. They'll receive an invitation, they'll accept, and like that, they will be able to add, manage videos, whatever, on your YouTube account.